Alright, what is up guys? Today we are in the garage and my dad's truck is gone. Unfortunately, because of how long his truck has been in here, the garage isn't, hasn't exactly been able to be maintained and kept up with. So it's a little dirty. That being said, I'm gonna work on the Z. We're gonna be putting coilovers on it. I'll probably be back in here next week, making another video doing exhaust install. So yeah, I was hoping that it would be kind of clean in here, but since it's not, we have to clean first. So let's get to it. All right. I want to talk about the coilovers. They're cxracing. They are they're decent. $560 shipped. 32-way adjustable dampening. Independent ride height adjustment. There's one thing that confused me a little bit. These on the Z, and I don't know if it's like this on all cxracing coilovers, but on the Z's, this bottom part actually adjusts. So I don't know what the advantage of that would be. If maybe there was some reason behind it, or maybe it was just, I don't know, cut costs. I don't know. It confused me. It threw me off a little bit, but overall, it seems to be made out of pretty good quality components for street use. Obviously, I'm not going to be using these for any type of motorsports or anything like this. It's just to get my car low and to look good and ride decent. Alright, I've already taken this bolt out of the air control arm. I'm going to take this one out. I have to roll the fenders, but as you can see, I have a little rust issue on both sides. Each side, hopefully, is worse than the other side. It's just a minor issue I need to get fixed. But I decided to start on the rears first because apparently they're the easiest. Go ahead and finish this one up. Back spring out. I didn't get the true coilover style coilovers. I got OEM style, so I do have to put a spring back in that, but it'll be worth it. It'll be alright. If by some chance you've never installed coilovers, regardless of whether you have true coilovers or divorce spring and shock, you want to keep these and put them on your new setup if it didn't already come with. Usually the true coilovers, they'll come with them already on the coilover, but this, as you can tell, being a divorce spring and shock, did not. So you want to keep these. It keeps the noise down. Alright, this is not safe. Do not do what I do. Use jack stands and a jack to jack this up. I can't remember where I placed my jack stands. So, I'm going to do this like I did the other side, and hopefully my car doesn't kill me. Again, this is very stupid. I should not be doing this, but I'm going to. As you can see, I'm flooded, or you may not be able to see, but I'm flooded. So I'm using the wheel as a seat. Well, my GoPro's almost dead. I'm covered in grime and dirt and all kinds of other shit that I don't care to think about. But she's finally significantly low. Alright, I have to be kind of quick about this. Coilovers are on the Z. I took the sleeves off. It was too low. I ended up having to put them back on so that I could drive the car because it is still my daily. I have a lot of plans for the Z, and I've been thinking about getting rid of the 8.6, but I mean, would you just look at it? I got a lot of money tied up in that car. It's hard for me to even consider getting rid of it. But I wanted to show the current ride height of the Z. I've done aligned it and, you know, set everything to where everything was nice and even. Yeah, and I installed my new exhaust. Alright, so this is its current height. Yeah, I would want the rear to be a little lower, but this is maxed out on the cxracing coilovers in the rear. And I do plan on getting over fenders because there's a bit of rust right here, and I kind of was impatient. But the front's about perfect, but in my impatience, as always, I fucked up the fenders. I slammed this car all the way down and drove it, and you can see right here and right here it's just pegged. The other side's worse. Overall, I think the car looks really good. And I'm planning on replacing these fenders anyways. I want to get some carbon fiber fenders. But yeah, you can see there's a spot here, a couple spots along there. It kind of looks like shit. But the rear's fine, aside from the couple rust spots. There's somebody running up the street. So we're going to do, I'm going to go to the exhaust clip now. Because I did put the DNA dual exhaust, the HKS replica exhaust on the car. It's not as loud as the muffler delete, but it's a lot more aggressive sounding. Alright, can't do a whole lot because I do have neighbors, but I think it sounds a lot better. It's not as raspy, not as high pitched. It's got a nice deep tone. Now I'm just running the stock cats, and stock headers is just the DNA catback. Alright, well, let me know what you think. Should I sell the 8.6? Should I keep the 8.6? Should I focus on the Z and maybe use money from the 8.6 to buy daily and dump the rest into the Z? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.